It's not so hard to be a pig. You just start in by eating big. You snort your meal and squeal and roll in mud and slurp and burp. Eat rotten apples for dessert. Sleep in hay and play in dirt. Sit around and watch cows chewing their cud.
Hey, this is great!
Run through corn in early morn, then slide kerplop down the hill in time for swill and a breakfast trough of slop. It's not so hard to be a pig.
And someday when I'm really big, I'll wag my curly tail just like you do. I like cats and I like dogs, but I belong with horse and hogs.
And I belong with friends like me and you. If you want to be a pig, use your nose and start to dig inside a pile of garbage while you snort. Here, I'll show you. Now you try. Not bad for a beginner. Hit the ground and roll around till you're covered up with dirt. Filth and grime and muck and slime are fun.
And they don't hurt.
If you want to be like me, it isn't hard, I guarantee.
I'm gonna watch and do just like you do.